Hey guys, welcome back to Faithful Keto Kitchen, where we make keto delicious. So today is the New Year's. Happy New Year's, everybody. And for New Year's, I decided to make some cornbread. Now, some family traditions are you make cornbread for New Year's, but you also make black-eyed peas because they're supposed to be a symbol of luck and having a good New Year. Everybody has their own tradition. It's usually, just random stuff, but for us, we sometimes do the black-eyed pea things. At least in the past we used to do that. And with black-eyed peas, of course, you gotta have some cornbread, you know. It's a cultural thing. So everybody can enjoy this delicious Mama Rosa's buttery cornbread, guys. So let's get started. So I'll tell you what's in the bowl. First of all, reheat your oven to 350 degrees to get that started, guys. And get yourself a cast iron skillet or a good heavy duty skillet. I like using the cast iron skillet because it makes things crispier on the outside and just cooks it so delicious, guys. But if you have a regular pan, that's cool too. Either way it'll work. Just make sure you butter the pan, or I like to put a little bit of coconut oil in there so it doesn't stick. So in this bowl we have 3 cups of almond flour, a half a cup of coconut flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half a cup of Swerve, salt, and we're going to add to the bowl after I whisk that all up 4 eggs, 3/4 cup of sour cream, a 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream, a 1/4 cup of butter, a half of cup of butter. I need my specs on apparently. A half a cup of butter, which is a stick, guys, and 1 to 2 teaspoons of butter extract. The recipe I'll link below, of course, and it's on the website, so you can go ahead and get it over there. I want to say, when I use the butter extract, it makes it really buttery. It's optional, but I really would suggest you get it. And it's by McCormick, or you can find other brands too. And I got this at Walmart, guys, so it's easy to find, but it does make things taste more richer and butterier, so do that. But I also found this little thing. Well, I didn't find it, I bought it. But it's by One-on-One Flavors, and I thought today I would use a little bit of their cornbread flavored concentrate. I've not used it yet, so it'll be the first time using it. But if you don't have it, it's fine. The cornbread will come out delicious regardless with that buttery extract. But I'm going to give this one a try instead of the butter extract today, okay? So I'm going to whisk. I already whisked up all the flour or the dry ingredients, guys. And we're going to add everything to the bowl. Let's add the 4 eggs to the bowl. And this is a super easy recipe. It just, of course, it takes longer because I'm talking and explaining it to you. But it's super easy. You melt down the butter. Get that in there, guys. Get your sour cream in there. And the sour cream gives it a nice tender flavor and texture. Really good, guys. Throw that in there. Let's get this out the way. Then I just like to get it mixed up a little bit. So do you guys like cornbread? I mean, do your family have a special cornbread that you like to make, you know, a secret recipe cornbread? This one right here is keto friendly and it's really delicious, guys. You won't even tell that it's keto. I love it. And also I like to put a little bit of the sweetener in there with the erythritol. I can't say that 5 times fast. The erythritol in there. That way it gives it a little bit of a sweet flavor. So this is more like a sweet cornbread. So get that nice and stirred up. You don't want to overbeat it, so you want to kind of fold it in and then keep like stirring it lightly. But it'll be a thick batter, see? Nice thick batter, like cornbread should be, okay? Because it's kind of like almost like a cakey flavor. Almost, you know, it kind of reminds me of, you know, those boxes of Jif cornbread mix? Kind of almost reminds me of that because with the sweetness in it and butteriness in it. And butteriness, yes, it's a word. Yes. So anyway, guys, I'm going to put let's try about a half a teaspoon of this cornbread extract. See if I can squeeze it at the same time. It's pretty tough to squeeze. I'm going to see how this comes out. And you know what? I still might add my butter extract just in case because this is the first time I've used the cornbread extract. So let's do the recipe calls for a teaspoon of the butter extract, which makes it really buttery, guys. So got that in there. Maybe a squirt more of that. I want to see if it really, really tastes good. See what it smells like. It kind of smells like cornbread, I think. But we'll find out once it's all done. So I'll stir that in last. Get that nice incorporated. Yeah. And it has, ooh, that smells good. Oh my gosh. Okay, that smells good. All right. Okay. Okay, so let's get it all in the pan. So what is your favorite, like if you do like cornbread, what is your favorite side with cornbread? So we generally like to have like, we can have cornbread with, of course, like chicken, steak, fish. You know, I used to do hush puppies in the past. I might try to figure out a keto-friendly hush puppy recipe. See if I can get these fried up, because that would be so delicious, guys. Comment below though, what's your favorite side with your cornbread when you serve up your cornbread? Is it like greens, or you can even have it with a green bean casserole or collard greens? Oh my gosh, the sky's the limit. And the cool thing about this recipe, it makes at least 16 servings, you know, or you can cut it up smaller as well, but it makes a good amount for your family. So it's a nice family recipe, super easy recipe. Basically stir up everything together and pop it in the oven. So get it nice and evened up. Spread out in the pan. Oh, it smells so good. I don't know, I might be liking that cornbread extract. It's making it smell pretty good. Go ahead, now one-on-one flavors. I'm gonna let you know how delicious it tastes. All right, guys, so got that all in there. Get it off your spatula. Make sure you get every little piece in there. All right, so I'm going to pop this in the oven. And like I said, it's at 350 degrees. Cooks about 35 to 40 minutes, so just keep an eye on it after the 25-minute mark so you don't want it to burn. And I'll be back to show you what it looks like and how it tastes, all right? See you in a minute. All right, guys, so I let the cornbread cook. I left it in a little bit longer because I like my cornbread to be a little bit darker. And so this is what it looks like. I like mine dark, so it's fully cooked and yummy. So we're gonna give it a try. I got some butter over there. I softened up the butter a little bit. And it's nice to serve it right in the pan. I was saying it's nice to serve it in the pan, and I started cutting it out and the camera stopped on me. So anyway, it's nice to serve it in the pan. Like, it looks really nice in the pan on the table for a family. And you can cut it into, I have on the website, the recipe says 16 pieces, but clearly you can get more than that out of that. You know, all depends on how much you want at a time. But anyway, look how nice. Look at that. Just wanted to show you how delicious that looks. See that? Really golden brown on the top. So I like mine to get dark like that. I had already started eating it, you know, until I found out the camera cut off. But anyway, I'll let you know again how delicious it is. Just give me an opportunity to eat more, that's all. But anyway, it's really good, guys, though. It's soft and pillowy in the inside. Oh my gosh. You don't have to add the sweet to it, the erythritol, but it makes it taste so good, guys. This is really yummy. So definitely give this one a try. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, guys. And subscribe to the channel if you want to be a part of the Faithful Keto Kitchen crew. And also, that went down the wrong pipe. That's what happens when you talk and eat. Anyway, it's definitely hit the notification bell so that you get notifications every time I upload a new video. Anyway, I'm Rosemary from Faithful Keto Kitchen. Have a blessed day and make this cornbread. See ya.